RSB series, oil gas fired coil type steam boilers. RSB is the popular series of compact once-through coil type steam boilers operating on oil or gas. Boiler pressure part is built on reverse flue concept of 3-pass, single coil, water tube design to quickly deliver steam within few minutes from cold start. These boilers are fitted with jacketed air preheater and an economizer to enhance operating efficiency. Boiler operation is automatic with flame supervision, standard controls and safeties. Scope of supply of a typical RSB light oil fired steam boiler consists of coil type pressure part assembly is enclosed in an outer air jacket, economizer, combustion air fan assembly, fuel pump, and indigenous light oil burner. Gas-fired boilers are usually fitted with imported monoblock burners without air preheater, standard boiler mountings consisting safety valves, steam outlet valve, auxiliary valve, and steam pressure indicator. Pre-wired control panel box. Typical working cycle. Soft feed water is first filled in the boiler by starting feed water pump. Control switch is put on firing mode to run the burner through its automatic stages of pre-purge, ignition and fuel firing. Burner flame is monitored continuously for operational safety. Flame reversal takes place in the furnace formed by the helical steam coil, leading to high heat absorption, after which hot flue gases enter the annular gap between coil and inner shell to preheat combustion air. Flue gases then pass to the economizer tubes to preheat feed water before exiting to atmosphere through the chimney. Water entering the coil at bottom is quickly heated up, leading to steam generation in upper section of coil, and its pressure builds up quickly due to small quantity of water passing through the coil. When normal operating pressure is reached, main stream outlet valve is open to supply steam to process. Pressure of outlet steam is automatically regulated through on-off operation of burner by steam pressure switch. Feed water pump runs continuously as long as steam pressure is within operating limit. Normal boiler operation continues through automatic on-off operation of burner and feed water pump as per setting of steam pressure controller. Adequate safeties such as steam superheat alarm, high stack temperature, blow-down valve interlock and flame supervision ensure safe boiler operation.